Guys, my name is Godfrey Akman and I'll be showing you guys a demo on HRManeja. So here we have the login screen. Let's just log in and get back to it. Okay, so when you log in, you see this dashboard, which is just a quick overview of the necessary information that should be here. And you can see take a leave, requisition, holidays, and log trail. Then under here, you can see features and integration. So we want to integrate some basic functionality into the system in the nearest future. Functionalities like Flutter Wave, Bamboo HR, and the rest of the services that we can introduce in the future. So obviously it's contact us and support center. So as you can see, there is a notice here which tells you that you don't currently have a plan, and for you to be able to use the system, you have to activate a plan. So let's get to it. So here you can see the list of plans. We just have 3, which this is for $1 per user, this is $3 per user, and this is $5 per user. So each of these plans have a list of features. So since I can only afford $10 per now, so let me subscribe for this. So we have partnered with Flutter Wave to make our payments easy. Since we are running a test account, let me just use the test cards to proceed. Card. It should be 780. Yes. 780. Proceed. You don't want to save this. It should be 3310. It should be 12345. Yes. So when the payment is successful, the subscription will be activated, and you'll be able to use all this information. So in the nearest future, we want to integrate a walleting system. So this is blurred out for now. So when companies come in and fund the account, they can use it for requisition and asset purchase. So you can see this is a breakdown of what we just paid for. We can upgrade here in the future, and you can manage payments here. So the next thing I'll be showing you guys is the admin end. So as you can notice on the sidebar, we have the dashboard, we have my leaves, you have requisition, and you have profile, and we have calendar here. This is for you to track down. Well, I'll show you guys in the nearest seconds. So here you can see just to see a list of users, the name, role, phone number, dates created. You can see a list of departments as well. List of departments as well. You can create 2, and also on the employee side, which is very important in the system. It's an employee management portal. You can create an employee here, which will open a form. So we want to make this thing better in the future, that companies will be able to upload an Excel spreadsheet so that they can create in their data and all that. So show you guys the next. Yeah, so one important thing is the payroll that we integrated in the system. So on the payroll, you can see that you can initiate a payroll here, and when you do that, let's run a payroll. We already have a payroll created. So when a payroll has been already initiated for the month, you can see the total amount, the month here, which is September, and the departments, how many departments are involved in this payroll, how many employees, its status, and just to track. So we already did this recently. If it was not there, you'll be able to initiate a new payroll. So when you click on this, you can see the receipts. You guys will be able to check all these things one by one. So I'm just giving you guys a quick overview of what we have done, and you can so this is just a breakdown of the payroll for each of the employee for September. Yes, that's it. So we only have 1 employee in the system, which is this guy, you guys. Yes. So under my leaves, you can see a list of leaves that you have taken so far, which is this. You can create a new one here. So when you create someone, this employee will be able to see, and someone will approve it and disapprove the leave for you. Then on requisition, if you want to make an expense, maybe you want to buy a laptop or office supplies, you just come here, make a requisition, select type, office supplies. In the nearest feature, this will be plenty, or it will be customized for each of the companies. You can put the amount, put the note, let's say 3,000, put the note. I want to buy a laptop, anything, due date. So due date is for us to tell, okay, we need this thing to be approved before a specified date. Then when you do all that, your line manager will be able to see the request and approve, and then the money will be released to you for you to make the purchase. Okay, so under here, like I said, so this is just a calendar, so you can track down things that you've done based on your to-do list and your event list. Then you can see this. This was the 10th. We're supposed to submit this. Yeah, we already submitted, so this is an update. Let's say on the 10th, this was it. So you can track down all your to-do list here. When it's done, you can just click this and it's updated. You can add a new one here, and that's all for now. So, and okay, one other thing is there is a setting button here which will, if you want email notifications to be updated for you to be getting emails, you can tick that. If you don't want it, you can take it off, and that's it. Then for one important thing too, the activity logs. So we need users to be able to see what others are doing on the system. So we have implemented this. You can search for paid if you want to see all the paid things. You want to see create anything. So we just have visibility on who did what. So you can see this is the user that did it and all that. So basically that's all for now. You guys can, I'll share the login details so you can just have a look on the portal and then give us thumbs up because we need it. Thank you. So before I go, the reason why we developed this, like we said on the form, is so that we can make things easier for companies. You know, we can make things more efficient so that you don't need to fill a form and wait for 5 days. You just come in here, make registration, get it approved, make your leaves, get it approved on the long run. So in the nearest future, we implement a mobile software, a mobile app, so that we can so that the employees can be able to track it wherever they go instead of carrying laptops or logging into this. So thank you so much for this opportunity, and we hope to see more from you.